Hi everybody. So it's time for another Balancing Spread Oracle deck reading from the Sacred Geometry Oracle. Okay. I hope you're all having a good week. I don't know about where you are, but where I am, it's really a beautiful day outside. I'm going to get out there and get some sun in a little while. But I had the urge to do a reading, so I'm going to do one real quick. And I hope that it benefits somebody out there. We'll do the balancing spread again. All right, here we go. So I'll pick the first card. Oh, that's beautiful. It's Mayan Dream. And it's not reversed. Let's see what that one says. Again, the first card, if you haven't seen my little readings before, the first card represents the masculine side. In fact, I'll just review what this little spread means. Okay, so the first card is the male, the yang. It's rational thought, father sky. It's also viewpoint number 1. And that one is Mayan Dream, number 21. It says spiral, cosmic connection. Spirals compose the most basic geometry of life and speak to us on a level of our deepest knowing. Spirals both curve and move in angular fashion. This card contains both curved and angular spirals. The design at the top and sides is painted on a wall in the ruined Mayan city of Palenque in Chiapas, Mexico. It is symbolic of the beginning, the germination, the essence, and the seed from which all life springs. In the background is the Temple of the Inscriptions. This temple contains the tomb of the Mayan king Pakal the Great, whose sarcophagus has been the subject of much research and conjecture. In choosing this card, you are asked to enter dream time and find the inner journey to your spiral beginnings. As spirals are the purest form of moving energy, you can travel the spiral dream journey to the level of subatomic particles and watch them reveal their spiral vortices. You can also travel to galaxies, watching the magnificent dance as they go spinning through space. This is the dream that connects microcosm and macrocosm. This is the dream that will help you realize your place in the universe, not small or insignificant, but an integral part of a glorious whole. By connecting through sacred geometry, intention, and spirit, you will find yourself better able to create your dreams in this reality. Very cool. All right, let's pick the second card. This one is the female card. This is viewpoint number 2. We got hexahedron. This is the female intuitive feelings yin Mother Earth viewpoint number 2 card. Let's see what that means. Number 18. Hexahedron, cube. The hexahedron is one of 5 three-dimensional geometric shapes commonly called the Platonic solids. Each has equal angles, edges of equal length, and equal faces, and each would fit within a sphere. Within their structure, they hold cosmic wisdom. The cube has 6 equal square faces. It represents solidity, strength, and confined order. It holds earth and male energy. Interesting. That's the female card, but it holds earth and male energy. It sounds like it represents a pretty grounded female, which is pretty cool. Pulling this card finds you seeking order in a situation that seems out of your control. You believe you have given your best to the matter of your inquiry, but you're feeling boxed in without room to move. It may be time to consciously step out of the confining situation in order to view it from a larger perspective. You may simply need a vacation or a little time away from everyday cares. Or perhaps this card ushers in a time of major change, when you will be required to act in a manner that is not customary for you, so that you can break free of the confinement you are experiencing. Before you act in a radical manner, step out of the box and seek a new perspective. Talk to a friend or wise counsel, and most definitely ask for inner guidance before initiating radical change. Okay, so now we'll pick the third card, which is the balance card, the common ground, the joining between the two other cards, the male and the female. Oh wow, this is cool. Look. Earth grid. Let's see what that one means. Fellowship. The idea of the earth as a geometric shape goes back at least as far as ancient Greece. The Sioux called the earth the creation grid. The earth has also been called the Gaia grid and galactic web. This notion is associated with geomancy, ley lines, and the unified field theory. The geometry of the earth grid is a dodecahedron, and it embodies fellowship, community, and our collective unconscious. Energy vortices and sacred sites abound at places where these geometries intersect. By pulling this card, you are asked to look at the way energy moves and to observe the choice points in your life that amplify or diminish your energy. What do you feel brings you to your fullest potential, and where does this happen? As you act in fellowship with humankind, community is created. There are places you will feel comfortable and those that seem to sap your power. As you choose a home on the planet and in the community in which you wish to participate, you activate your place on the earth grid and find resonance with the spirit of place. Fellowship with like-minded individuals can be seen as a communication grid that connects you, by travel or by technology, to exactly what you need to learn and experience at this moment in time. Very cool. Well, I really like all the cards we chose today, and none of them were reversed, which is pretty cool too. So first we had the Mayan dream, which represented the masculine. And that one, the basic idea was, it was the spiral. They were talking about the spiral. Which is the most basic geometry of life. Okay. Symbolic of the beginning, the germination, the essence, and the seed from which all life springs. In choosing this card, you're asked to enter dream time and find the inner journey to your spiral beginnings. So basically this card, and it was the masculine card, is asking you to go within and connect to your inner being. Okay, so that's key to balance the male and female energies. And then we had the female card, which was the hexahedron. And this one I thought was interesting because it said it represents solidity, strength, and confined order. It holds earth and male energy. But pulling this card finds you seeking order in a situation that seems out of your control. You may be feeling boxed in without room to move. You may simply need a vacation or a little time away from everyday cares. Or perhaps this card ushers in a time of major change when you will be required to act in a manner that is not customary for you so that you can break free of the confinement you are experiencing. So, this card was talking about stepping out of the box and seeking a new perspective so that you don't feel so confined. And that is necessary in order to balance the male and female energies. Okay? And then the third card, the Earth Grid card. I like that one. That one is the common ground and the joining card. So it's kind of like the end result. If these two things that I mentioned regarding the other cards are taken care of, then you kind of get this Earth Grid Fellowship card, which is a very good thing to have to balance energies, isn't it? Fellowship. Okay. And this talks about how pulling this card asks you to look at the way energy moves and to observe the choice points in your life that amplify or diminish your energy. What do you feel brings you to your fullest potential, and where does this happen? As you act in fellowship with humankind, community is created. So this card is asking you to look at yourself and notice what brings you to your fullest potential and act upon it. It's saying that to seek fellowship with like-minded individuals by travel or technology. And by doing that, you will learn and experience exactly what you need to learn and experience at this moment in time. So we need to go within, seek a new perspective, and then seek fellowship, either technically or physically, in order to manifest the life that we want. And it's sounding like, that's a pretty simple formula. That doesn't sound too bad. I think we could all try that and see what happens. Why not, Life is short. Got to do what you can to make it better when you can and to enjoy it to the fullest. And I hope you all do. I know it takes effort, but if you try even just a little bit every day, it can make a huge difference. Those little attempts, they add up. And before you know it, you're where you want to be. So I hope this reading resonated with at least some of you. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Please join me again next time if you'd like to. Thank you.